just look. It's like I'm in a storybook. Oh, it's bliss. I dreamed that it would be somewhat, but not like this.
Welcome to my humble abode. Roses for me? They smell heavenly, thank you. So shall we tour the royal princess suite? Come along. You have to say the secret password. It's Stardust. Here in the princess suite, all our fairytale dreams come true. Your grace, let me crown you with a halo of golden stars, a symbol of thy royalty. I'm just gonna put these lovelies in some water, and you can have a little twirl. So this is my ballet slipper pink bedroom. I live in a little cottage here in the woodlands of the land of lavish, and this feels like my own sanctuary. It's filled with darling treasures that are dear to my heart, and with any fairy tale, a little bit of magic. Shall we take a closer look? Come along. Here's my shelf of shimmering crowns and other bits and bobs that I fancy. This fairy dust knows what's in your heart of hearts. Make a wish and it will begin to flourish like a rose in full bloom. This is my favorite blossom crown by Adura Jewelry. It's adorned with freshwater pearls, and if you're a rain fan like myself, it was worn by Lady Lola on her wedding day. I love musical carousels, and this one lights up like a rainbow. And I have these ethereal heels and some of my favorite pink books. This shabby chic wardrobe rack is perfect for dress-ups and what have you, angel wings, Regency-style corsets, and my fashion essential for hopeful romantics, a petal pink tulle skirt so you can twirl in the rose gardens all day long. On the wall of this little nook, I have this sweet yet elegant monogram letter plaque. It's hung with a ribbon which makes everything more darling. Oh my! Do you hear those bells? An angel got her wings. Perfect timing. Let's go to the angel altar. This is my sacred space where I connect with the divine and my guardian angels. It's filled with enchanted fairy and angel figurines, rose quartz for loveliness, and glorious candles. My altar is inspired by Juliet Capulet's bedroom in the 1996 rendition of Romeo and Juliet. She has angels everywhere. Every damsel of the kingdom needs a magical fantasy mirror to straighten her crown. I love how delicate the floral details are in this, and I added some golden ornaments for a touch of whimsy. Hope I didn't scare you. So to honor the little girl in me, I have this glamorous Barbie print which my inner child loves. Here at my bedside, I have a Cinderella coach and glass slipper, and my favorite childhood book, The Little Princess.
I'd hoped and wished and wondered what I'd do here. Wished and prayed and pictured what I'd see. Prayed and wow, my prayers are coming true here. Look at it all, look how it gleams, lovely beyond my wildest dreams.
All this dressing up, I fancy a cup of tea. How about you? Please enjoy Laduray's superb blend of rose petals, fruit, and honey. Now, where were we? Alright, this is my grand armoire filled with all my dazzling dresses to wear to balls and soirees. As you can see, I'm very fond of lacy, frilly and feminine dresses that you can twirl in. Here is my swan white vanity table, bedazzled with beauty, charm and magic. I have my makeup bag, fragrances, smell like heaven, and a fan. I feel so peaceful getting ready here in the morning because in my reflection I can see my angels watching over me. During the day, this is also where I write dreamy letters, poetry, and tales. It is my greatest blessing serving my princess sisterhood. And after reigning a kingdom all day long, I do get awfully sleepy and need my beauty rest. This is my lavish canopy bed that makes me feel like royalty and gives me the sweetest of dreams. And on this bedside, I have my current nighttime reads, a silent alarm clock, and this Kate Spade handbag that I adore. Over here is my duck piece banner, which you may have seen in my Fairytale cottage hall. Along with deer and butterflies, doves are one of my spirit animals, so I adore this. This is my little tea party nook, where I can settle back, read a classic fairy tale, and delight on delectable berries of the forest. To go with the storybook theme of my room, I framed some pages from Pride and Prejudice for a touch of vintage glamour. Where's Fairyland, you may ask? Over here. These French doors open to the rosy woodlands of the magical kingdom. My balcony overlooks old oak trees, flowers, bluebirds, and if I'm lucky, a Bambi deer that surprises me sometimes. Sleeping Beauty has arisen from her sleep. We are so truly grateful to live in such serenity, and I hope that one day, we hope that one day the whole world will return to loveliness and live as heaven on earth. What do you say, Louis? Here are my royal tips on creating your own princess palace suite. First, choose a princess theme for your bedroom. I'm a rose princess, so I want my bedroom to feel heavenly, romantic, girly, and darling. Bring magic to your bedroom with dreamy decorations, such as pixie dust, fairy wands, crowns, musical carousels, and glass slippers. Create your own altar, a sacred space where you can connect with your guardian angels, make wishes, pray, and meditate.
My prayers are coming true.
Have your favorite ball gowns, tiaras, crown jewels, and accessories on display to create a glamorous atmosphere. There's nothing like a Sleeping Beauty bed. Add drapes or a canopy to your bed to make it feel oh so dreamy and lavish. Princesses, I want to hear all about your dream princess bedroom. Go wild with your imagination because miracles do happen, so I can't wait to read them. You must go? Oh my, but you only just arrived. Hold on, let me call a Pegasus carriage for you. Well, I hope you had a wonderful time here. Bye. Lula wanted to say goodbye too. Bye. Stay magical. Stay magical.